Okay, welcome back to the 2004 Toyota build. Today, we've got a lot of work to do. We're trying to get this thing done in about 10 days. Yesterday, we completed the bodywork on the bedside, if you can see that, and got it in primer, which is a great deal, a great thing. I still have to do the other side. We have a bow on this front panel on this bedside. We need to straighten this out a bit. And then we also got the fender sanded, the door completely sanded, the back of the truck sanded and prepped for paint. So we're going to continue on the other side. Today we have a little dent here that we need to repair, but most of the rest of this side is dent free, so I just need to remove the trim and the emblems, mirrors, and do some sanding on this paint and get it prepped out for paint. We need to 320 the roof to get that smoothed out and prepped for paint. Remove the bumper. So we got quite a few things to do, plenty of work, and we're going to get started right now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue on this Toyota Tacoma build. We're getting it all prepped out for paint. We're getting all the bodywork straightened. Today I want to continue doing that, and we have the bedside here, the left bedside that we're going to prep and start straightening all these dents. There's some dents in here. We got to remove all the trim and hopefully get that in primer. I'm not sure how far we'll get, but we're going to do that. And then on the other side of this truck, let me show you. We have just a few dents that I saw on the door here, and then there's one down here that we started repairing yesterday, so we're going to finish getting those prepped out, sanded, block sanded and primed, and then strip these panels, remove all the trim, the emblems, and get it ready for paint. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys ever have any questions about any projects you're doing, please leave them in the comments. If you have any ideas for videos or things you would like to see, leave them in the comments. I'm always looking for video ideas and to help people do some things that maybe they don't know how to do. It's nice to hear from you guys and hear what's helped you. So I really appreciate you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't liked and subscribed. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all this trim. These side moldings are not on this truck, so we need to delete those. We need to remove the fender flare. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start sanding this and trying to determine where all the dents are. I need to grind off this top bed liner. We're going to have to replace that later because there's some dents in there, and it's just hard to get a good finish taped up right up against this bed liner. So, and then sand all in here in the gaslit door. That's just nasty. And get that ready for paint. So I'm going to set you up on the time lapse and get started. Okay, let's take a little break here. Let me show you what we accomplished. As you can see, I've removed the molding here. That's going to be deleted. I've removed the clips and the wheel opening molding. That'll get put back on there, but this thing's been painted before. There was a hard edge there that I sanded out. Not as many dents as I thought, so I don't think this is not going to be too bad. There's a dent right here, and you can tell what I did is I went over this with 80 grit, and that basically shows me the high spots and the low spots. You can see this is a high spot, so there's some dents here. You can also do this with a block and some 80 grit, which leaves heavy scratches, and it takes off the paint in the high areas and leave the low paint in the low areas. So I can see there's a dent here. There was a little ridge here. So what I did is I knocked that down with a hammer so I can fill this without having any issues. Still probably need to do a little bit more there. But so that's what we've accomplished here. There's some dents right here in this area. I'm going to fill that next, and then we're going to continue on. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't liked and subscribed. We got a lot accomplished today, and we're going to continue on, and I'll continue making videos and follow along this project as it comes to completion. We'll see you next time. Peace.